Centennial students, I'm Ms. Tischler and I'm going to show you how to make your Avid binder today. And you can see that I'm extra smiley about it. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab this Avid binder sheet of paper. This is going to be the cover of your Avid binder. You're going to clearly put your first and your last name at the top. And then you're also going to put your team name, your team number down here, really nice and big. That way, if you lose your Avid binder, we can get it back to you easily, okay? So you're gonna write your first and last name, your team number on that, and then you're gonna slip it in the front pocket of your Avid binder. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the prongs. We are going to grab the pencil pouch and we're gonna fill it with lots of awesome school supplies. Okay, so the first two things you're gonna put in there are 2 sharpened pencils. You wanna make sure they're sharp because writing with an unsharpened pencil is pointless. Okay, so you're gonna put those in. Then you're going to grab a pen. You need 1 pen, mark my words on that. You're gonna need 1 highlighter because students, you are the highlight of our day. Then you're gonna put your calculator in there. And you also need 12 colored pencils. So you're gonna put that in there. You're gonna zip it up so that none of this will fall out and be all over the hallway. We're gonna put it on the left side of your Avid binder. It's gonna be the very first thing you do, and actually it should go so that when you open it, the zipper is gonna be on top. Okay, the next thing we're gonna put in is this beautiful agenda, which you're all gonna have. It's also referred to as a planner. You're gonna be using this in all of your classes, keeping track of the activities you're doing every day. You're gonna put that in next on the left side. That will be the second thing in your Avid binder. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab sheet protector and you're gonna have this sheet of paper. This is your Avid binder checklist. It's something that you're gonna keep in your Avid binder all year. It's going to help you always refer to it and know what sort of things you need in your Avid binder to be prepared and successful in your classes. So that's gonna go in the page protector. Then you're gonna slip that in on the left side. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a divider, a yellow one for homework. Okay, so you're gonna label the tab homework. You can use Sharpie. You also will have little white tabs that you can use, these little paper white tabs. Those can maybe fall out, so you might just wanna use a Sharpie, label it homework yellow. So we're gonna put that in on the left. And then we're gonna grab a pencil width of paper. Okay, so if you have another pencil, you're going to grab about a pencil width of paper, and then you're going to put all of that in next on the left. Okay. Then we're gonna go and fill in the rest of your dividers. So the next divider you're gonna put in is science, and science is green. So grab the green one, label it science, and then you're gonna put it in to the left. The next color will be blue, and this is gonna be language arts. You could abbreviate it LA for language arts if that's easier. I'm gonna put that in next. The next color will be purple for math. Yippee. Okay, that will go in next. Then we have orange. Orange is for social studies. You can abbreviate it SS if you want. And then the last divider is gonna be your rotation class, which is either FACS, STEM, health, art. Okay, that's just gonna be yellow. So grab another yellow one and label it rotation, and then put that in. And then the last thing that we're gonna put in is more page protectors, okay? I would like you to count out 10. Okay, so hopefully you can count to 10. And you are going to put that on the right side. Okay, and then you're going to use these in various classes, and they will be back here for you when your teacher is asking you to grab one. Well, I'm having kind of a hard time. They're a little tricky, so it might take you a few minutes, but I'm just going to, for the sake of the video, do that for now. Okay, so once you have them all in, you're going to close up the prongs. And then the best way to close your Avid binder is to move everything back over to the right. So just moving all of that carefully back over to the right so that you're not going to be ripping or tearing pages. And you're going to close it. And here's your Avid binder. Okay, so here's to a successful school year.